Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love grilling but hate the hassle of charcoal or propane, then you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric grills that bring convenience, efficiency, and delicious flavors to your grilling experience. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Char-Broil Patio Bistro Electric Grill. The Char-Broil Patio Bistro Electric Grill is a sleek and efficient electric grilling solution designed for those who want the convenience of grilling without the hassle of gas or charcoal. With its TRU infrared cooking technology and portability, this electric grill is a standout in the world of outdoor cooking. But like all products, it has its pros and cons. In this video, we'll dive into the details to help you decide if the Char-Broil Patio Bistro Electric Grill is the right fit for your grilling needs. Pros: convenient electric power. One of the biggest advantages of the Char-Broil Patio Bistro Electric Grill is its use of electricity as the power source. Unlike traditional gas or charcoal grills, it doesn't require fuel or messy cleanup. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want the convenience of grilling without the added effort of dealing with propane or charcoal. Simply plug it in, and you're ready to start cooking. TRU infrared cooking technology. The TRU infrared technology sets this grill apart from many others on the market. This innovative feature prevents flare-ups, ensuring that the food cooks evenly and stays juicy. The heat is transferred from the coil to the grate, while the drippings vaporize and infuse the food with additional flavor. This technology results in cooking that's up to 50% juicier, making it ideal for grilling meats like burgers, steaks, and chicken. Ample cooking area. With 320 square inches of total cooking space, the Patio Bistro Electric Grill offers ample room for grilling. You can comfortably cook up to 12 burgers, 6 chicken breasts, or 4 steaks. The grill also includes a warming rack, which allows you to cook with indirect heat, making it easier to keep food warm without further cooking it. This spacious design is perfect for family gatherings, small parties, or intimate dinners. Durable and easy to clean grates. The grill comes with porcelain-coated steel grates, which resist rust and make for easy cleanup. The grates retain heat efficiently, ensuring even cooking and helping to create those signature grill marks that many grill enthusiasts love. The porcelain coating also prevents food from sticking, making it easier to maintain the grill. Accurate temperature control. The lid-mounted temperature gauge allows you to monitor the cooking temperature inside the grill with precision. This feature helps you avoid undercooking or overcooking your food, ensuring that your meals come out perfectly every time. Cons: limited heat output compared to gas grills. Although the Char-Broil Patio Bistro Electric Grill is efficient and reaches high temperatures quickly, it may not reach the same heat output as gas grills, particularly for searing meat at high temperatures. Some users may find the heat output insufficient for certain grilling techniques, like high-heat searing or grilling thick cuts of meat. The Char-Broil Patio Bistro Electric Grill offers a great balance of convenience, portability, and high-quality grilling. With its TRU infrared cooking technology, ample cooking space, and easy maintenance, it's an excellent option for anyone looking for an efficient and compact electric grill. Next up at number 4, we have the Foreman Electric Grill. Grilling is a favorite pastime for many, but not everyone has access to an outdoor space or the ability to use traditional grills that require charcoal or propane. The Foreman Electric Grill offers a convenient, versatile, and easy-to-use solution for indoor grilling, perfect for those in apartments or smaller living spaces. With its adjustable temperature settings, non-stick coating, and fat-removing features, the Foreman Electric Grill aims to deliver great results with minimal hassle. However, like any appliance, it has both pros and cons. Let's take a closer look. Pros: ample cooking surface. One of the standout features of the Foreman Electric Grill is its 200 square inches of grilling surface, which allows you to cook up to 12 servings at once. This is perfect for large families, gatherings, or events like tailgating. The spacious surface makes it easy to cook multiple items simultaneously, from burgers and chicken to vegetables, all while saving time and effort. Apartment friendly. This grill is an excellent choice for apartment dwellers or those who live in places with restrictions on outdoor grilling. Unlike traditional charcoal or propane grills, the Foreman Electric Grill operates fully on electricity, which means no smoke, no need for propane tanks, and no flare-ups. It's a safe and convenient option for those who want to enjoy the grilling experience without worrying about fire hazards or bothering neighbors with smoke. Adjustable temperature control. Achieving the perfect grill results often comes down to temperature control, and the George Foreman electric grill delivers with its adjustable temperature probe. With 5 different heat settings, it allows you to tailor the temperature based on what you're cooking. Whether you're grilling delicate fish or hearty steaks, you can ensure the heat is just right for the best results every time. Non-stick coating. The grill's George Tough non-stick coating is another highlight, offering durability, easy cleaning, and healthy cooking. The non-stick surface means you don't need to worry about food sticking to the grill, and it makes cleanup a breeze. You also don't need to use butter or oil, making it an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their fat intake or cook healthier meals. Cons. Bulkier design. Although it's compact enough for indoor use, the George Foreman electric grill can still be a bit bulky and may take up significant counter space, especially in smaller kitchens. If you have limited storage or counter space, the grill size may be a consideration before making a purchase. The George Foreman electric grill offers a convenient, safe, and healthy way to enjoy grilled food indoors. Its ample cooking surface, adjustable temperature control, non-stick coating, and fat-removing slope make it an excellent choice for those seeking a healthier grilling alternative. Taking the third spot is the UNinja GR101 electric grill. The UNinja GR101 electric grill is designed to bring the experience of outdoor grilling indoors. With versatile features like interchangeable grill and griddle plates, high heat capabilities, and low smoke cooking, this electric grill aims to provide a convenient and efficient way to prepare meals year-round. But as with any product, it has its pros and cons. In this video, we'll break down the key benefits and drawbacks of the UNinja GR101 to help you decide if it's the right choice for your kitchen. Pros. Interchangeable grill and griddle plates. The UNinja GR101 comes with 2 interchangeable plates, a grill plate for searing and a flat-top griddle plate for pancakes, eggs, and more. This versatility allows you to cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. Whether you're grilling steaks or making sizzling fajitas, or even breakfast favorites like pancakes, this feature ensures you can unlock delicious flavors throughout the day. High heat capabilities. One of the standout features of the UNinja GR101 is its ability to reach temperatures of up to 500 degrees, making it perfect for high heat grilling and searing. Whether you're looking for perfect grill marks on your meats or want to sear a steak like a professional chef, this grill delivers impressive heat for excellent results. High heat also helps to cook food faster while retaining flavor and juiciness. Edge-to-edge cooking. Say goodbye to hot spots or cold spots in your cooking. The UNinja GR101 ensures even edge-to-edge heating so every inch of your food is cooked uniformly. This feature is particularly important for larger cuts of meat or when cooking multiple items simultaneously, ensuring that everything is cooked perfectly. Low smoke cooking. The UNinja GR101 is designed with a perforated mesh lid, which helps to control smoke and minimize splatter. This means you can grill indoors without worrying about excessive smoke buildup or having to open windows. The plates are also equipped with high walls and grease catchers, making for a cleaner and more pleasant cooking experience. Cons. Limited grilling height. Some users may find the height of the grill limiting for larger cuts of meat or thicker items. While it can handle standard grilling tasks like burgers or steaks, cooking very thick cuts may not be as effective. The griddle plate can be used for other types of cooking, but the grill plate may not be versatile enough for larger items. The UNinja GR101 electric grill offers impressive features like interchangeable plates, high heat for perfect searing, edge-to-edge cooking, and low smoke grilling that make it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Its family-size capacity and hassle-free cleanup are also major benefits, making it convenient for both daily meals and special occasions. Coming in at number 2 is the Cuisinart GR-5BP1 electric grill. The Cuisinart GR-5BP1 electric grill, also known as the Griddler 5, is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to help you cook a variety of meals with ease, offering multiple functions, including a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle. This electric grill is perfect for individuals or families looking to save time and space while cooking. Whether you're grilling steaks, pressing sandwiches, or making pancakes, the Cuisinart GR-5BP promises to be a valuable tool for your kitchen. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's explore its pros and cons. Pros. Endless cooking options. The standout feature of the Cuisinart GR-5BP1 is its versatility. With its ability to function as a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half griddle, it offers endless cooking possibilities. Whether you're making a quick grilled cheese sandwich, searing a steak, or preparing breakfast pancakes, this grill can handle it all. Its flexible cooking options make it ideal for individuals or families who want a one-stop solution for a variety of meal types. Easy-to-use digital controls. The Cuisinart GR-5BP1 is equipped with an LCD display that shows the function, temperature, and timer. The digital controls are user-friendly, making it easy to adjust settings for the perfect cooking results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, the clear display and intuitive controls help ensure that your meals turn out exactly as you want. Adjustable temperature and searing function. The grill's adjustable temperature range of 175 to 450 degrees offers plenty of flexibility for different types of food. From low-heat cooking for delicate items like fish to high-heat searing for steaks, you can easily find the right temperature for your ingredients. The added sear function is a nice touch, allowing you to create a crisp, caramelized exterior on meats and vegetables, adding flavor and texture to your dishes. Dishwasher-safe components. The Cuisinart GR-5BP1 makes cleanup a breeze with its removable and reversible non-stick cooking plates. Both the plates and the included scraping tool are dishwasher-safe, which reduces the hassle of scrubbing and cleaning after cooking. The non-stick surface ensures that food won't stick to the plates, further simplifying the cleanup process. Space-saving design. Despite its multiple cooking functions, the Cuisinart GR-5BP1 has a compact and sleek design that doesn't take up too much space on the countertop. Its removable plates also make storage more manageable, and the compact size makes it suitable for kitchens with limited space. This grill is a great option for apartment dwellers or those with smaller kitchens. Cons. Lack of a dedicated panini press lock. Though the Cuisinart GR-5BP1 functions as a panini press, some users have noted that it doesn't have a dedicated locking mechanism for the top plate. This means that when pressing sandwiches or paninis, the top plate can sometimes be difficult to keep in the optimal position, leading to uneven cooking. The Cuisinart GR-5BP1 electric grill offers a highly versatile and convenient solution for cooking a variety of meals in the comfort of your kitchen. Its ability to function as a contact grill, panini press, griddle, and more makes it a great choice for those looking to save time and space. The adjustable temperature control, sear function, and dishwasher-safe plates are additional perks that add to its appeal. And finally, our top pick, the Hamilton Beach 253 6-1 electric grill. The Hamilton Beach 253 6-1 electric grill is designed to bring the experience of outdoor grilling indoors. Whether it's steaks, burgers, vegetables, or even pizza, this electric grill offers the versatility to cook a variety of dishes all year long, no matter the weather outside. It's an easy-to-use solution for anyone who enjoys grilling without the hassle of propane, charcoal, or lighter fluid. But like any appliance, it has its advantages and disadvantages. Let's break down the pros and cons of this indoor grill to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Pros. High searing heat. This grill can reach a high searing heat of 450 deg, which is ideal for locking in juices and flavor. Whether you're grilling steak, burgers, pork chops, or fish fillets, the intense heat ensures that your food comes out with perfect grill marks, juicy interiors, and enhanced flavors. This makes it perfect for those who want professional-level searing without an outdoor grill. Convenient viewing window. The Hamilton Beach 253 6-1 comes equipped with a convenient window in the lid, which allows you to easily monitor your food without opening the grill. This feature helps retain heat and ensures that your food cooks evenly. You can keep an eye on the cooking process without losing precious heat, ensuring better grilling results. Versatile temperature control. With an adjustable temperature range from 200 degs to 450 degs, the Hamilton Beach 253 6-1 is a highly versatile that can handle a variety of foods. Whether you're grilling shrimp, vegetables, fruit, or pizza, you can fine-tune the heat to achieve perfect results for a wide array of dishes. It's also ideal for diets like paleo and keto, which require flexibility in cooking styles. Less mess with extra-large drip tray. This grill is designed to reduce the mess typically associated with grilling. It features an extra-large drip tray that sits beneath the cooking surface, catching juices and drippings as you cook. After grilling, the tray slides out for easy cleanup in the dishwasher, ensuring that you can enjoy your meal without worrying about a messy countertop. Cons. No smoky flavor. Although this indoor grill provides the convenience of indoor grilling, it doesn't replicate the smoky flavor that traditional coal or gas grills impart. If you're someone who loves the distinctive taste of food cooked over an open flame, you may find this indoor grill lacks that depth of flavor. The Hamilton Beach 253/6-1 electric grill is a solid choice for anyone who wants the convenience of indoor grilling without the hassle of traditional outdoor grills. Its ability to reach 450 degrees for high searing heat, convenient viewing window, and easy-to-clean non-stick plate make it a standout option for grilling year-round. Its versatile temperature control and extra-large drip tray also enhance the grilling experience.